Hi guys, it's just a quick little test now to see if some of these numbers work. I've actually just tested this one number here. This is the current date of the 8th of September 2016. So this is the number here I found, plus 1-800-8748-739. This is for the tech support scammers. So let's just, I've already tested this number and it seems to be working, so let's just give that a quick ring. As you can see, it's working. If I would let the call go through, I think, you can see they've answered.
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Alan. How may I help you?
It works. I got my mic muted at the moment, so let's just end the call. So we know it's working.
There is no response from your end.
So we know that number works. So let's go try out another number. I've added that there. It's got some other numbers there work. So I don't know if this one will work. Let's have a look. These are the numbers I've just kind of found. I don't know if that's going to work. I don't know what the hell that is. That's not going to work. That's going to fail out, watch on. So yeah, it's just... Okay, so if I just... Okay. I need to find out what that is. So I just do a quick Google search on that number in a minute. Perhaps maybe I might get it up. Hang on a second. So look. This number come up in Google search here by the look of it. So I'm gonna just take off the screen there so that Microsoft don't have an issy fit. Okay, this shouldn't be.
I would suggest we should not waste time. We should.
Let me mute the. Let's have a look. Let me just mute the desktop audio a minute so that it stop playing. I think this is where I got the number from. Okay, never mind. I don't know where. The reason I got that video popped up is because that's where I got the number from. So, but we're gonna work out what it is. Is it +1? Looks promising. Hang on a sec. We found somebody here. Oh no, that's a different number again. Oh no, you're +1. Too late. I looked at the number. So let's just copy that in a minute. Copy that. Hold on. Take it back across there. My bad, sorry. There you are. I forgot to just see over. There's the number there. I just clicked on this video down here and it actually brought the number up. I think that's where they got the number from. So if I copy this number here, that looks like it. It's got +1 in front of it. Then open up my dialer and paste that in there. It's the United States number. Let's see if this works. Mute my mic a minute. This one's working.
For quality and training purposes, your call will be recorded. We request you to please hear all options of IVR and select the services you are looking for. For queries, please press 1. To make a booking, please press 2. If you're an existing customer, please press 3. If you want to cancel your existing booking, please press 4. If you have faced any issue in your existing booking or have a complaint for specific services, bookings or tours, please press 5.
Okay, that seems to be working, folks. Let's see if she says anything else. I kind of missed the numbers, I think.
Thank you for calling Isengo. For quality and training purposes, your call will be recorded. We request you to please hear all options of the IVR and select the services you are looking for. For queries, please press 1. To make a booking, please press 2. If you're an existing customer, please press 3. If you want to cancel your existing booking, please press 4.
Just go on, is it? See what happened.
Thank you for calling Isango. This is Akshat. How may I help you? Hello?
I can't hear me. I think I got my mic muted.
Hello, can you hear me?
See what happens. See, I'm probably hang up
Hello?
now.
Unfortunately, I'm not able to hear you. I'm forced to leave the call. If you have any queries, please call us back. Thank you.
Yeah, so that number works. That's good. So now I can put on here. I'm gonna just bring this across here. I'm gonna add +1 to this, so I know that. Let's add that to my existing numbers. Oop. Okay, that's a number that works. So far I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers that work apparently. So we've got still some by here. I'm guessing that's going to be a +1 as well. So I'm going to add +1. I'm going to now copy that into my dialer. Let's see if this number works, is it? Ringing. What's the sign?
We're sorry, no one is currently available to take your call. Leave your message at the tone. Press pound when finished.
Just let it go for a few seconds. I don't know if that worked then. Just hang up, is it? So that number seems to work, guys. I get rid of that. Close that out of the way a minute. I don't need that open there. I'm drag that across there. So that number seems to work. So guys, I think that's all I'll be doing now, is just going through these numbers and see what's work. It could be quite interesting, I think. Let's try that. I don't know what's going to happen there. Copy that. I think that's going to... I got a plus on it. For something, let's look, see what happens there. Paste. Yeah, it could be okay number. Let's go plus. Let's keep adding pluses to it. One, two.
Number not in service.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is to do a Google search and see what comes up on that number. Alrighty then. We'll get to it there, but we'll get around there eventually, guys. Making some proper text scamming videos. I just want to test some of these numbers. At least I got a handful of numbers here. So let me just put some of these. Tell you what I will do is I will post this up on the screen, and this is what I've got so far. These are the numbers I got so far. I don't know why. Oops, a daisy. That's the wrong screen, yeah. I don't know why that's like that. Hang on, let me just check those numbers a minute. Let's see what happens. I might have to put +1 on that. Paste. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put +1 on that. I'm gonna go +1. It's the next dates. See if it rings a minute. Yeah, it's kind of took the spaces out of it.
Thank you for calling GoverAid, leaders in
Seems
independent
to be
tech
working.
support. All of our technicians are currently busy helping our customers. Someone will be with you shortly. We'll press 1 to leave your name and phone number, and we will return your call as soon as we can.
So yeah, I gotta put +1 in front of those numbers, guys. So if I go up there, if I go plus on that, just tidy them up. Guys, there's some numbers there, and this last time I checked this number, they only seemed to they said to call back between certain times. So let's try this number again a minute. Let's see what happens. Bring the dialer up. I am gonna go paste and see what happens. It might hold on a second. It might turn around and say, "Oh, call back between a certain time."
Thank you for calling U.S. Tech Support. Your call will be recorded for quality assurance purposes.
Hello. How may I help you today?
Seems to be
You
working.
can say things like technical support, billing question, or account update.
Technical support.
Okay. To get you to the right agent, I just need a moment to look you up in our system.
Really? I have to look up in the system with them with my you don't know details about me.
The number you're calling from is not on file. Please say or enter the phone number associated with your account. If you do not have an account, please say no account or press 1.
No account.
One moment, please, while I connect you to an agent who can assist you.
So it seems like if this number's working, so I'll hang up your egg. Okay, so that number seems to be working okay at the minute. Last time I tried this number, it actually come up saying it was closed or something, and you had to call back between a certain time. So if you're looking for some numbers, there's a couple of there for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 numbers there for you straight off the bat there, folks. So I will be calling these numbers and see how things go like. It's gonna be interesting. So at least I know I got 7 numbers I can call to screw about with. So it's gonna be quite fun, I think. I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got another 8 numbers to test. So guys, I know this is it's just that I know I've been going on for about 14 minutes now, nearly 14 minutes. I thought this was a quick video just to kind of show you that some of these numbers are working. And if you want these numbers, by all means take them. And if you're, if you want to basically do this yourself, you can. What I would obviously say is do not allow a Macs to your main computer, whatever, just don't do it. I would go and set up some virtual machine and try and protect yourself as much as you can, hiding your IP addresses and whatever. So what I have done, let me quickly bring up my virtual machines. I use a piece of software called VirtualBox. It's free software for virtualization. I believe it's a type 2 hypervisor now. I think it's type 2. You got type 1 and type 2. I think it's a type 2 hypervisor. Anyway, so I use VirtualBox. So let's jump across here. This is VirtualBox. It's free software you can run to run virtual machines. As you can see, I've misspelled that, but pfSense I was supposed to spell. I mistyped there. And that's basically a router. I have then a Windows 7 machine there. This is one I'm going to allow my hack into. And I've got another machine here which I'm going to use to send like messages and stuff to that. So basically where I got this set up, if I go into my, I created a new virtual machine by using this new wizard here. I've gone into my settings, into my network, and I've got adapter 1 as bridged adapter, so that's going out to my main internet, so it's connected to my main internet on my computer. Adapter 2, I've got it set as internal network, and I've just named it Chris Kevin Lee. Okay, so let's just start that up a minute. As you can see now, I just double click on starting that up. Also got this virtual machine here, which is my Windows 7 virtual machine. Just let this thing boot up a minute. Says boot up complete. I got all these sections where I can like do stuff with. So that I don't really need to mess about with. So now it's booted up. I got it ready set up. My nose booted up, and take this off to whenever the screen out of the way. And then I'm going to start up my Windows 7 virtual machine, which is the one I'm going to allow them to mess with. I've got this automatically going into full screen, so it's easier for me to use. Okay, this is the machine I'm going to allow them to screw about with. As you can see, this is actually running Windows 7, so I've changed that a little lot. I've put a pile of stuff on there. I've put like bank password, pawns, just to mess with them. Some weird cat pictures. Chuck stuff in between my thingy just to make it a little bit more convincing. Also then, let me just minimize this out of the way. I also got this machine here, which I've called it RAT-PC. It stands for Remote Administration Tool. Jump up to modern 3 a minute. This is now the machine I am going to use to send stuff to. Just minimize that, just get that out of the way, just jump on across back to share over there. And what I've done with these, in fact, if I've almost forgot to show you, go network, and I've only got one adapter, internal network, Chris Kevin Lee, and to go exactly the same for this one. Internal network, Chris Kevin Lee. Okay. Jump to mod 3 a minute. Alright, let me just try something out here. AVG protection a minute. And this software I'm going to use and actually detecting as a virus because of the hacking tool. So if I go like that, advanced settings, and I want to disable the AVG for now, I'll just put it until restart. Okay, that won't. Where do I put it to? If I go into. Oh, it is. If I just delete that, I might have deleted the other files. I need some couple of files. So, .comet rat is the software I'm going to use. If I go to WinZip, that's it. Couldn't see it then. Unzip here. Use everything. It's okay. So I need to extract the damn thing. No, don't bother. Will it let me extract it or what? That's it. Took this time there. Start that up. Start the program up. It should automatically connect now. Come on. Hoping that shows up there now that the file hasn't disappeared off the. If not, I might have to redo it. God damn it. I should have a thing coming up there. Perhaps maybe it's gone off this other machine. It must have done it. Okay. Wait a minute. Files for VM. Is that the one? That might be it. We just set up some shared folders on it so I can then send it across to my main machine. I say just dump it on the desktop here. Open. Okay. I'm gonna quickly do the same on this machine. Hey, just get in. Why is that done that then? So I'm gonna copy this one. Go into my network. VirtualBox server desktop. This is my main computer here. Now I can then access this virtual machine, my main virtual machine, which is going to be used for the hacking. I'm going to go into the network on here. VirtualBox server. There's a desktop there. I'm going to quickly copy that, just a bit on here. Oh dear, ignore the just click on ignore the file, paste. Come on. Oh, you haven't deleted it. Please do not delete that file. Don't seem like it's trying to delete it. Might have to disable ABG. Windows Explorer is not responding. It's a bit of a pain in the arse, I think. God damn it. Right, tell you what, I think I'll leave it to you for now. Perhaps I can do a full setup tutorial on how to do this. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching. I do apologise if I didn't actually show the software, but basically what it can do is I send a file from my one virtual machine, which is here. I use the software, I create a file using this software here. I then send it across to this virtual machine, and basically is a Trojan horse. So that it will infect this machine, and what I can do from there, let's close this out, is I can send like message box. So just give you an example. If I open up the command line a minute, and I type in MSG should this work? Yeah, that's it. From I can do something like this, right? So the message I can, with the software, I can say, well, you know, put virus found in the box. I can put virus found. Please contact this number, or whatever I want from this virtual machine you running this software. I can also then send files. I can install a keylogger. So if, for example, especially if they run syskey, which is a piece of software that encrypts everything on your hard drive, if they run something like syskey on there, I can then basically keylog the file, or they basically type in so I know the password. What else can I do? I could do loads of stuff on there, to be honest. But it did infect this file, my main virtual machine here with that particular file. I don't understand why it's not showing up on the. So guys, I do apologise. I've been running 26 minutes now, so I think I'll leave it at that. I will be starting these tech support scammers. There are some numbers on there. If you want them, by all means, pause the video and take the numbers down if you want to use those numbers to do something like this yourself. Obviously, these are scammers, tech support scammers, so please don't ring them in, you know, if you've actually got a problem with your computer. If you're going to ring them, don't allow them physical access to your machine. Set up virtual machines like what I got here. If you just at least set a virtual machine up, like what I got here, something like this, a virtual computer. So if I actually get out of full screen, as you can see, this is my main system here, which is I'm running Linux, and you've got a Windows virtual machine running here. Allow them access to that, and what you will need to do is go network settings, and you just select NAT, right? Select that, hit OK, and you will change your settings then. So it's like kind of like behind the router, so they're gonna have physical access to your network. So they will come up with a bunch of bull. They'll try to make out things like the event viewer, is errors in there, is a virus, or they'll try to run the tree command to make it look like that it is just doing a scan. So for example, what they would do, they would go cd colon cd colon / to jump to the C drive, and then what they do, they will run the tree command like that, and it looks like it's doing a scan. And what they'll do, as that's running, they'll go virus found, just type in there like that, and when this command completes, when this command completes, it'll say virus found at the command prompt. So they try and make out, oh, they found a virus, and it's not. It's just this tree command. All that does is list out all the folders on the computer. So that's where they CD to the C drive, because from the C drive on, you've got hundreds upon hundreds of folders. So this seems to be taking this time. Come on, that's it. It's doing it. As you can see, Now it says virus found at the command line here, and they'll turn and say to you, oh well, this, you have to run in the scan, this says virus is found, or they can type whatever they want there, and that's how they trick people into it. It's basically what I done. As that so-called scan was running, or that command was running, I just typed something on it using the keyboard, making sure this window was open and selected, then type something in there. So they use all kinds of tricks like that. They use event viewer, they use the command prompt. I'm not sure if they use task manager. I think they may use task manager. As you can see, my CPU is maxing out there because there's a virtual machine. So guys, I know this hasn't been such an interesting video. If you made it this far, I'm very grateful for watching, and thank you. Tell you what, if you made it this far, put in the comments below, Chris, I've made it for the video, and I will reply to you and thank you, and I'll even give you a shout out on the all my videos. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope, like I said, if you get some of those numbers, if you want to use some numbers to do something yourself, by all means get hold of them. I'll also post them in the description as well. So thank you guys. I'll see you soon.